Hello students, today we are going to solve 14th problem. Question is given as a benchmark has been established at the soffit of an ornamental arch at the known elevation of 100 meter above MSL. It means that the ornamental arch is like this and its soffit is here. So its RL is already given, that is 100 meter above MSL. The backside used to establish height of instrument is an inverted staff reading of 2.105 meter. It means that here a level is just like this and the inverted staff reading for the calculation of height of instrument is 2.105 meter. A forward sight reading with normally staff held of 1.105 meter is taken on a recently constructed plinth. It means that here a recently constructed plinth is like this, that is the plinth, and the staff reading on plinth is equals to 1.105 meter. The elevation of the plinth is, it means that we need to find the RL of the plinth. Now from the diagram it is clearly seen that for the calculation of RL of plinth we need RL of soffit of ornamental arch minus 2.105, that will be the inverted staff reading at the ornamental arch, minus 1.105 meter, that will be the reading of staff at the plinth. So RL of soffit will be equals to 100 minus 2.105 minus 1.105. On solving this, we will get answer as 96.790 meter. That will be the RL of the plinth. It will be equals to 96.790 meter. That is all about this numerical. We had determined the elevation of the plinth, which will be equals to 96.790 meter. Thank you very much, students.